If you're seeing a Google Drive error 410, that usually means the file or page is permanently gone. In other words, this is different from a regular missing file message. A 410 error often means the file was deleted permanently, the link is no longer valid, or access was intentionally removed. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest ways to troubleshoot it and explain what you can do next. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. First, open Google Drive and check whether the file still exists. If you own the file, use the search bar and type the file name exactly as you remember it. Then check the main areas in Drive, including My Drive, Trash, and Shared with Me. Sometimes a file is not actually gone forever. It may have just been moved into another folder, or it may have been deleted recently and still be recoverable. If you find the file in Trash, you can restore it. Open Trash, right-click the file, and choose Restore. If the file is still available there, restoring it should bring it back to your drive and may fix the error immediately. If the file is not in Trash, the next thing to check is whether you're signed into the correct Google account. Click your Google profile picture and make sure you're using the account that originally had access to the file. This is a very common issue, especially if you have multiple Gmail accounts signed in at once. Sometimes a link works for one account but shows an error for another, so switching accounts can make all the difference. If the file was shared by someone else, the next step is to contact the owner. Ask them to reshare the file or create a new Google Drive link for you. Old links can stop working if the owner deletes the file, changes sharing permissions, or removes your access. If the link was copied from an old email, chat, or document, it may simply be outdated. In that case, a fresh link from the owner is the best solution. Another helpful step is to try opening the link in a different browser. Test it in Chrome, Edge, or even in Incognito mode. Sometimes browser cache or session issues can interfere with drive links, especially if permissions recently changed. A different browser can help you confirm whether the issue is with the link itself or just your current browser session. If none of these steps work, then the file is most likely permanently removed and cannot be recovered from that link. At that point, your best option is to ask the owner for a replacement file or a new share link. So to recap, check whether the file still exists, restore it from Trash if possible, confirm you're on the correct Google account, ask the owner for a new link, and try another browser. These steps solve most Google Drive error 410 problems quickly. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another fix.